Go.
Welcome aboard, my beloved passengers. I hope you enjoy staying here at the Lehana. Today's a toast to celebration by staying here at the lesson. Cheers. Let's go,
Yeah, you're right. My back is hurting already. Anyways, this is our job after all.
Hey, yo, bro, you see those two lovers birds over there?
Yeah, I'm kind of jealous of them.
Yeah, right. Hey, yo, what's that right over there? At the starboard side.
Oh no, is that what I think it is?
Hurry, call someone!
What are you doing? Oh, sorry, my bad. It's the radio. Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? Hello?
Cling, cling,
Hello?
cling, cling, cling. Yes, speak.
Iceberg, right there! I repeat, iceberg, right there!
Captain, yes, speak. Go ahead.
Oh no, this guy is the problem. We have to outreach. How far is the iceberg?
Igual es para la tuloy.
It's coming!
Everyone, take close attention. Prevention was damage and is deeply sinking. So we have to evacuate all the passengers to the other side of the ship, which is right over here. Not one and not two. Prepare the lifeboats and lifeguards for evacuation.
Aye,